We get some comments about when I'm rolling ink out and the way I hold the brayer. This is a brayer. This is actually the one that I use. And I hold it like that because that's the proper way to hold this brayer. Now, this is a speedball brayer, and obviously the handle is put on there completely different. I could use it like that. However, this brayer is designed to be used like that. If I were to use this brayer like that, and I had a form here and I was inking it, these feet would just tear the type up. So it's improper to hold this brayer in this direction, and that applies to most brayers. One of the larger ones we have in the shop has that same three-point landing, as I like to refer to it. So it is also used in this direction, because if I tried to do it like that, again, I would be tearing up type. So I hope that gives a little more knowledge as to why I hold the brayers the way I do in the shop.